A map of Europe has a small space you might miss. It is tucked between Romania and Ukraine. Romania, Ukraine. This space is Moldova. It is a country few people can find, even fewer people visit. This is the beginning of its magic, a secret whispered in the middle of a continent. A place that has managed to stay quiet, avoiding the loud shuffle of modern tourism. It asks a question with its silence. What is hidden here? The journey begins on a road leaving the capital city, Chisinau. The city itself is modest, wide boulevards, green parks, but the real Moldova waits just beyond its limits. The road narrows, buildings fall away. Suddenly, you are surrounded by land, green and gold to the horizon. The sky feels enormous, the air changes, it smells of soil and grass, the countryside's honest scent. Roads wind like gentle rivers, paths made for wandering, not speed. You pass villages, houses painted soft blue, white, pale green. Smoke curls even in summer. People cook. They are living. Chickens scatter. An old man waves, slow, friendly. You are a passerby, part of the scenery. Peace settles in. Moldova has a secret buried deep in its earth. This secret is wine, the kind known by those who know. Under quiet villages lie vast, cool cellars, some like underground cities that stretch for miles, carved from soft limestone. To step inside is to enter another world. Cool, damp air, oak barrels, the deep silence of time at work. These cellars hold the country's history in bottles, rows upon rows beneath a blanket of dust. Light wavers, labels whisper years, decades waiting, summers long past. Each bottle tells the story of sun, rain, and soil of a particular year. It is a history you can taste. You don't need a giant cellar. The best discoveries happen in small places. A family's pride fills a simple room. No famous labels, only honest work. Red or white, it tastes of the land, of sun and labor. In that room, you share more than a drink. You share a tradition, a secret passed down. Life in rural Moldova follows the rhythm of the fields. The seasons are the true clock, telling when to plant, work, harvest, and rest. The connection to land is deep, etched into hands and faces. People read the moods of weather and live in partnership with nature. Spring brings hope. Fields plowed, soil turned, seeds placed with care. Work is done by hand or with simple machines, side by side. Summer is long and hot, tiring but satisfying to see things grow. Autumn celebrates abundance. Families and neighbors gather the crops, pantries fill, tables fill, laughter spills across the fields. Winter rests the land. Work moves indoors, stories shared, tools mended, plans made. Life slows to a gentle crawl. Silence returns, complete and comforting. Our first story is about a baker named Anna. Her bakery is a small room at the front of her house, the heart of her village. She moves before sunrise, flour sighs, hands know the dough, 30 years of rhythm. The oven is her partner, she stokes it until it breathes heat. The smell of wheat, yeast, warmth, comfort, and home. The scent travels the street, a signal the day begins. They are neighbors, friends. The bakery is a meeting point, a daily loaf for an elder, a mother with a child, each loaf still warm, golden, crisp. This bread is not a product, it is a gift, made with care and love, shared, enjoyed, essential. Anna feeds her community, one warm loaf at a time. That is her morning gift. Our second story is about an old man named Ion. He is 70, his face is a map, sun and wind etched around his eyes. The vineyard is not large, but it is his world. He knows each vine, who needs water, who needs shade. He learned from his father, and his father before, over a century on this land. He trusts old ways, sharp knife, sturdy hoe, walking the same rows. Not just a farmer, a caretaker protecting a legacy. When grapes are heavy, it is time. Everyone comes to help, laughter fills the air. The old press is strong, sweet juice stains smiling fingers. In Ion's cellar, time turns juice to wine. The tradition continues. Our third story is about a young girl named Maria. Her world is small, full of wonder. This little lake at her village's edge. Her grandfather carved her a boat. She explores oceans of imagination. Stones skip. She counts with delight as ripples disappear. Shapes in clouds, dragons, and castles drift across her sky. Maria, Time for tea. A warm cup, a slice of cake, a story shared. For now, her small lake is enough, her ocean, her world. In her bright, curious eyes lives the hopeful spirit of Moldova's future. The homes in Moldova's villages are small, but full of life. Grandparents, parents, children, sharing space, meals, stories, laughter, and worries. Family is the center, a source of strength, an anchor in a changing world. A guest is an honor. You're offered a seat, and soon, the table fills. Simple food from garden and field, served with generosity that feels like a feast. Stories thread past to present, teaching children where they come from, a melody of love, loss, and land. As night falls, a small beacon of light. Outside, the stars are brilliant, safe, together, home, the simple, powerful warmth at Moldova's heart. To travel through Moldova is to learn the value of slowing down. It does not rush you, it asks you to walk, not run, to look, not just see. Beauty hides in small details, the quiet, the subtle. You leave with more than photographs, you leave with a feeling, peace. You walk quiet roads, taste wine from a family cellar, eat bread from the oven, and hear stories in warm kitchens, not polished for tourists, authentic, a little rough. That is its power. Happiness in a shared meal, a good talk, a quiet path, a private treasure you'll protect, shared only in a hushed voice. How long can a secret this beautiful stay hidden?